Bearwood Brown here, day 5 now of the damp repair job. Taking them quite a bit longer to get to this point than I was hoping. Anyway, where we are now is this wall, like most British walls, is not square or plumb or anything like. I shouldn't say that, no, but anyway, they're not square. Okay, so down here I got to put the skirting boards back on, and I want them to go back in about the same spot they were. So looking down there, I need about a 1/2 inch of mortar in there to make it work. And then over here, I need, in places it needs to be a little bit less. So what I'm going to use, I've got a piece of wood here that it's just a piece of wood that if I hold it up, you can look at the edge, because see there's how much we got to put in there, and then I got to bring it out to down at the bottom, just about where I want it down there. So, but by starting down at the bottom, I think, see, this is pretty tight here. If you look in there, it's pretty tight. Well, I'm not focusing very well, sorry. This is tight, almost where I want it there, just a little bit more. So that could be my starting point, maybe right there, is get this section working nicely, get that filled up, and then work as the rest of it goes along. So I think that's the smart thing to do. And then just take it from there. And what I'm doing is, I've got mixed a bucket of this. Now the mixture on this turned out to be about 3/8 of this bucket water and 6 big bucket trowel loads. And I think that's going to be nice. It's been sitting for a few minutes now, and it's nice. Now one way to tell if it's good enough is you take your trowel and push down like that. You see how that left that there, and it didn't slump down. So that's, and I want it just a little bit creamy, so it's actually moving along. I want to get on with this bucket. It's been sitting here for a few minutes, so that's where we are. Just take it. I'll put a handful. But some people would use, I mean, professionals would use a hawk and stuff, but it's down here on the ground. I don't know how you're going to get it off a hawk any better anyway. So I just take and put a load on my trowel with the bucket's trowel, and then just put it in, bring it up. So we'll start right here with that, and then carry on. Okay, that's Bearwood Brown on the damp proofing a wall with one part of the component, wicks, 1 coat plaster.